Hey there, kids. Today, we're going to talk about one of the yummiest and healthiest fruits around, bananas. Did you know bananas aren't just tasty, but they also help your body in super cool ways? Let's find out why bananas are called a superfood. First, bananas are packed with vitamins and minerals. They're a great source of vitamin C, which helps keep you from getting sick. Bananas also have vitamin B6, which is important for your brain and helps you stay focused while doing homework or playing games. On top of that, they contain potassium, a super mineral that helps your muscles grow strong and keeps your heart healthy. Eating a banana after playing outside or doing sports can give your body the boost it needs. Now, let's talk about fiber. Bananas have lots of fiber, which helps your stomach feel good and keeps everything moving smoothly. So, if you ever have a tummy ache, a banana can help you feel better. Plus, bananas are great for giving you energy. Because they're rich in natural sugars like fructose and glucose, they're the perfect snack to eat before school or a fun activity. They give you long-lasting energy without making you crash like sugary snacks can. Finally, bananas help you stay happy. They contain a special chemical called tryptophan, which can make you feel calm and even help you sleep better at night. Isn't that amazing? So, kids, remember to grab a banana next time you need a snack. They're not just delicious but also really good for you. See you next time, and stay healthy.